Let's explain an operation of RT-435 desktop ink proofer. First of all, we connect a power supply of 220V. Open the circuit breaker. Open the power, wait for Enter Operation System. After entering the software, we arrived at the time setting interface. Then set mixing time. Next is separate time. Below are pressing time and cleaning time. Then click the Operate page. Here are mixing high speed and medium speed, low speed. Below are print high speed, medium speed, low speed. Choose these speeds according to your own needs. Let's release this knob. Turn left. Loosen it. There's a gap here. Then stick this paper in this gap. Then we turn the lock to the right. Fixed. It has a screw on each side. They are used to regulate printing pressure. And there is also an adjustment on each side of the machine. They are for mixed ink pressure adjustment. When we have an emergency, press this emergency stop button to power off. This is an ink injector that can precisely control the amount of ink squeezed out. Minimum unit rating, 0 to 50 cells, 1 full turn, is 0.06 G, around 0 to 10 cells is about 0.012 G, and each little cell is 0.0012 G. Please note, fill the ink chamber of the injector and pump out the air till the ink spills out. Apply the ink evenly onto the rubber roller. Now, one rotation of the ink injector produces 0.06 grams of ink. After that, we press the mixing key. The stainless steel roller begins to rotate, and the ink will be evenly applied to it. We can see that the previously set ink mixing time was set to 120 seconds, 0 to 999 seconds can be set. So we need to wait for 120 seconds, and the machine will automatically stop rotating. During the set 120 second ink mixing process, we can also end it early by clicking on the selected medium speed ink mixing, bright red. We press this print key. The paper holder begins to rotate, and the ink on the rubber roller will be evenly printed onto the paper. Then we loosen the knob at the back and take out the printed paper. Then use a specialized cleaning agent to wipe off the ink on the rollers. Then click on the Clean button. The rubber roller begins to rotate. We also cleaned the rubber rollers while cleaning the stainless steel rollers. Until after cleaning the ink. Let's turn off this cleaning button. Then it will shut down. Okay, this is the entire operation process of the ink proofer.